Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a free private server and steal a Brainrot on Roblox, even if you don't have enough Robux. So first, make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Then open your browser and log in to your Roblox account. Next, go up to the search bar and type "Steal a Brainrot." Once it pops up in the results, go ahead and click on the game. Now normally, if you go to the Servers tab on the right side, you'll see the option to create a private server. But as you can see, it costs 79 Robux, which a lot of people don't have. So instead, here's the trick. Go back to the main server list and under Number of Players, click the drop-down menu and choose Ascending. This will show you servers with the fewest players. Just join one of the nearly empty servers, and basically, you end up with a free private server experience without paying anything. It's not an official private server, but it works the same way if no one else is in it. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.